Hello, let's find out if the iPhone 15 Pro Max have the reverse wireless charging. So let's jump to the settings and let's put some keywords like reverse or wireless. Never mind, there's like no information in the settings, but definitely we can charge the phone wireless. But we can see if we can charge second phone. So that's the iPhone 15 Pro Max and that's the iPhone 15. So let's see, I mean 15 Plus. If I put them together, as you can see, it is not charging. So it looks like it doesn't have the reverse wireless charging. Yeah, I can charge on the wireless charger, but not on the second iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.